Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about this video because I've been, you know when you say you're gonna do something and then you keep on putting it off. I'm finally doing an unboxing video. So these have become popular, I feel like within the last year and a half. And so basically influencers, vloggers, bloggers alike, we get these really cool packages from brands through PR companies. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've gotten probably within like the last month or two. I've been gone on maternity leave, but I've still been getting packages, and I wanted to share some of my most recent ones. So if you're interested to see what I've gotten within the last month, then stay tuned. So first up is a package from Urban Decay. They always have the best packaging. It actually had like a little lip thing right here that was so cute. I did show this when I first got it on my Instagram stories, so if you're interested in seeing when I really take them out like the UPS or FedEx box, follow me there as well. But this is their, actually I have this is their Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. So it's super shiny, cushiony, soft, and long lasting. They're 20 bucks, so if you're into Sephora, Ulta, or Macy's, you can get them at any of those places. It does have vitamin E and peppermint. I did get to smell these when they first came. They smell amazing. So there is 20 of them. And I'm gonna see if I can hold this up for you guys without dropping it. Isn't that gorgeous? Such a great like array of colors. So they've got like this gold here to the red. So I like it. They have like some iridescent colors like this guy. What is he called? This is called Candy Flip. So iridescent and stuff like that, but gorgeous. I actually like these so much, I might do like a swatch video because I think they are really gorgeous. I think gloss is making a return. We've been doing the matte lipsticks for a pretty long time now. And I think I think gloss is making like a return with a vengeance. So I'm into it. A huge thanks to Urban Decay for sending it to me. We'll see how many I'll actually use, but maybe we can do like a fun giveaway. That'll be cute. Alright, so next up is a super huge box. This is another one of my favorite brands to just like get a package from because they also kill it with packaging. Smashbox Cosmetics, they're based in LA. You guys have all heard of them. They actually just revamped all of their primers. So they actually just revamped the packaging of it all. The box says new look, who this? Who this? I love it. So when you open it up, you have all of the young primers right here. They're all in there and they have a new look. So they said same favorite primers, fresh new look. So photo finish and all of the other primers. Photo finish is probably their most popular. Got a makeover. It's still the same formula, so they have not changed anything with that. But the new packaging makes it easier to find that's right for you. So I think they did a really good job with like keeping the text and the fonts really bold and really easy to read. Shout out to Smashbox for making it easier for us to find their products. The one I use the most and I like the most is the Minimize Pores, but I also love Photo Finish, which everybody in America does. That's like their best seller, if I'm not mistaken. The Photo Finish is really huge because it's like the original Blur primer. So if you wanted that like super smooth look and you wanted to kind of like blur your blemishes, this was the guy who like set it off and really set that trend. But the one thing I do like from them that I actually just got put onto last year is their primer water. So what I like about this is you can spray it on before you put on your makeup and it'll pretty much prep your skin, and then you can even spray it on afterwards and it'll pretty much set your makeup as well. So I'm excited to dive into all of these. They have oil-free options. They have a primer oil. They have a mattify stick. They even have one of like the peachier kind of primer slash concealers that'll even out your skin tone. So next up is some hair products, which I'm always down for. One of my go-to brands really is Cream of Nature, and they have a brand new collection. This is their Honey on Honey collection. Their Pure Honey collection, rather, which is quite extensive. There's 8 products in this collection. We have shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner detangler, a hair mask, If you're looking for something other than just like a deep conditioner, then a hair mask will really help like replenish moisture. Then they also have a twisting cream and edge control, which is important. I'm not gonna lie, Cream of Nature has some of the best edge control in the game. And this smells like literal heaven. It smells like if heaven was like laced with honey, this is what it smells like. And last but not least, they have a texturizing curl setting lotion. This is cute. I'm really excited about it. You guys should definitely check it out. So my next package is from my friends at Sally Beauty Supply. So I was excited when I got a package from them. Cute little, you know, package with these little red and pink dots. And they really just wanted me to have like Easter ready products. So Easter has passed, but these products are still good. And they say spring is just around the corner, and Sally Beauty has the right products for both moms and kids, which is huge for me. I have 2 girls now, so I'm really excited. They, first of all, they sent like a cute little like Easter kind of package with some Starburst, which I will be eating after this video. But they sent me, I love the Canty for Kids line. Their Care for Kids line is super, super awesome. I love what it says here, adds hold that lasts past the playground, which for somebody like me who has a preschooler who goes to school Monday through Friday, super important. Next up, they gave us the Silk Elements Curly Cuties. This is a leave-in spray detangler. So this is from the Main Choice. This is their Fruit Medley Detangling Kids Leave-In Conditioner. It has a rich supply of vitamins A, B, and C, promotes hair growth, and reduces dandruff. So it's pretty much like all for natural growth and retention solution. So this product is from Texture ID. This is their Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. It has wheat protein and argan oil. So it's basically for all hair types. So I like this. I just like a good mousse. And last but not least is a frizz tamer from Carol's Daughter. It has no parabens, no petrolatum. I think it's petrolatum. No mineral oil and no artificial color. So this is going to smooth frizzy edges, and I think for my hair texture, that's really, not only am I trying to lay my edges down, but I'm like trying to prevent the frizziness, and it also adds softness and shine. Ooh, this smells good. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really good. So that does it for my unboxing video. I have, honestly, we were just joking around. I have a slew of stuff from like months past that I just never got to unbox. But this is something I definitely want to try to do for you guys at least once a month, because it's just fun to talk about like new products that are coming up. And I just feel super blessed to be in the position where like these companies that I've always been a fan of, you know, are sending me stuff. So if you guys like these videos, let me know. If you're not into it, I have no problem stopping. But if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.